Hey honeys, it's Ams. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I am collaborating with Luvme Hair. I'm just showing you the construction of this cap. As you see, 13x4 lace, and it's HD lace. Yes, 100% human hair, 180% density. There's 3 clips, adjustable straps, and an adjustable band. I just love when brands give you gifts. Like you see, this has Luvme Hair in the back. It's super cute, iridescent. There's a satin scarf for my edges. Then there's a compact mirror. You can throw it in your purse, an edge brush. You see, there's 2 wig caps and also a bag to put your hair in. The wig was already pre-plugged, but of course I went in and plugged some more. As you know, your girl has to be a little extra, plug a little bit more, just to make those edges really look natural. By the way, this is the hair out the box with no co-wash. Now that I've co-washed the hair, you can see how beautiful this texture is. This is no product at all, so this is how you want your hair to behave after a co-wash. The cap size is medium, so it fit pretty snug on my head. And also, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, this is 20-inch hair. My bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is here I'm clipping my hair back because I am about to cut this lace. Anytime I cut my lace, I love to cut it into sections. This time I cut it into 3 sections, and sometimes I cut it into 4. Every time I use these scissors, it makes it so much easier, like having small mini scissors that you would use to cut like your brows or smaller hairs. These are perfect for cutting your lace. I'm making my part, just taking my time, staying focused on trying to make it as straight as possible, but it doesn't really make a difference. I'm going to be filling the part with Fit Me powder later on to make it more bold. I'm using the Edge Booster pomade stick, and this here helps really lay that hair down, but also make a new part. Anytime you want to make a new part, you just go in with your Edge pomade. If you want to add a little volume at the front, as you can see that I'm doing, then after that, go in with my hot comb. This lays the hair down, establishes a new part. Also remember, you can get close to your lace, but don't get too close. You don't want to burn this lace. You don't want any holes in it at all. Now using the Glueless foam gel, love it so much. It is so easy to use on top of the pomade. Gives you that extra hold too, so it's perfect. I'm only going to use one product and one product only on this hair. So you see I'm spraying it right now with water, and I'm using my Lotta Body Mousse. I have this also in my Amazon store, but you can find it at your local beauty supply as well. When I tell you, it defines my curls, my waves, any kind of my hair that I use and on, it defines it so well, and it smells good too. Number 1 tip, always put enough mousse on your hair. You can lather your hair in mousse. It will not hurt the hair at all. It only makes it better. Process, but yes, this is so worth it. I always like to scrunch my hair with a t-shirt. It calms down the frizz a lot of times for me. In the comments below, please tell me what you think about the hair. What do you think about the pattern? How it responds to the water, the product, all of that. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you ordered this hair, definitely let me know. Yes, scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Okay, you want these waves to be as bouncy as possible. You want it to be defined. Going back in with some more of the Glueless. I used a little bit earlier, but as you see, I defined the hair, sprayed more water, so I'm adding more product. This really just helps the edges look even more natural to me and keeps that hair back out of my face. Like I said, staple product. Love it. You need to check it out. Since I wanted to hike up the hair right there in the front, I'm using the Aussie Free Spray. It's going to stay in place. Using the Fit Me powder, I'm just going in right there where my part is to make it more bold so you can really see it. Yes, ma'am. We are finished. I just want to take time to highlight the fact that this is a glueless install. You can see it for yourself. I love the fact that the lace really matches my hairline. I mean, it's doing what it needs to do. So you guys are going to have to leave in the comments what you think about this hair. I feel like this hair is perfect for the beach. It's water wave. So water wave to me, it just always has like this frizziness to it, but at the same time it works. It gives it so much volume. I always love picking my hair out right through here, right at the lace. Come in there. I had about, this is while styling. I didn't keep up with the hair I had when I first did a co-wash. But styling, I had about this much hair, so not too bad on the shedding. Anytime you deal with curly hair, loose wave, deep wave, kinky, all of that, you will have some shedding, so expect that. But it's not bad. So I will say, I feel like this hair would look so pretty coming out the water. Like this, it's giving me Miami vibes. Only thing that I did notice is that I had some short pieces of hair up through here, right here, like right where the lace ends. This is a 13x4 closure, so right through here I noticed some short hair, but I just used some of my Glueless and I just laid that down, or the pomade stick, that's fine too. And a few hairs could have been like a lighter blonde looking color for anyone who, you know, is worried about that. It's not a lot of pieces that I saw that was like a lighter color, blondish, whitish color. It's so soft. It's so soft. No spray, no glue spray, no none of that to lay this hair down. Just my Glueless. So this was perfect. Like, especially if you want to get up and go, about to go to work, or you going to an event, or going to the gym. I mean, you don't have to worry about gluing this thing down. It has a band. It's just, look at this. Seamless, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the back. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you in the next one.